Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Like, share, and subscribe. What pet question of the day? What pet you like better, cat or dog, and why? So guys, आपकी ईद की तैयारियाँ हो गई, आप फास्टिंग रख रहे हैं नहीं? तो आप सबको पता है कि नेचर वॉलपेपर तो सबको ही पसंद है, बल्कि वैसे ही वॉलपेपर बहुत पसंद है। तो आज हम नेचर बात करने जा रहे हैं अबाउट नेचर वॉलपेपर. So let's get started. You can see first this is, and I didn't install in this, but what I do, I don't want to install that app. Just I take the screenshot of it and crop them, and I put it the wallpaper. Okay, next is that if you like them, just go to the Play Store and search nature wallpaper. You will get that. Okay, what? Wow, beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Nature wallpaper XD. This is very good. Okay. Just what I gonna do, just pause the video, take the screenshot of it and put it as a wallpaper if you don't want it. Okay. So see this, what a beautiful wallpapers are these. Okay. Okay. Next is green wallpaper. Okay, we didn't see that. Okay. We have done this and didn't see this. Oh wow! See guys, that's wonderful. So, so guys, see how beautiful is this? These nature wallpapers, and I like them. Okay. So see this. See this nature wallpaper. How beautiful. So see over here, beautiful. I love them actually. Okay, what is this? Okay, nature wallpaper. Okay, it's wonderful. Okay, you can see here. So this is spring nature live wallpaper. I like this. Okay. Hey, nature, offline nature. Okay, SD. Beautiful wallpapers. Let's see them. Oh, nice. They are nice. Okay. So I like them. And this is our spring wallpaper. Just install this app. It's a wonderful app. Actually, I've installed it, but I haven't uninstalled it. But see, this is my wallpaper. See over here, same my wallpaper is there. So because I like that, just I have all these pictures in my gallery. Okay. Next is purple nature wallpaper. Oh wow! See how beautiful. Just we are gonna uninstall it or uninstall. I just know that. Okay, guys. I'm not having an MB because I have to study. I am not having MB. So I hope you like my video. Please comment down my question of the day. So take care of yourselves, guys. Allah Hafiz.